Our business is going through a change, and therefore it is getting more and more important for sellers to empower themselves with digital selling knowledge. Hi, my name is Mausam, and through these videos, I'm going to help you achieve that. Remember, these videos are useful for anybody in the service industry, and do keep watching the videos till the end because I might end up sharing a special hack only towards the end of the video. Right? Here we go. So we'll start with simple tips on prospecting digitally. Prospecting is one of the key functions to be able to scout for possible business opportunities from an assigned territory for a sales executive. It is important to know what's happening in the market and what is the possible business opportunities up for grabs. Let's start with the low-hanging fruits first. The easiest way to keep a track on relevant news from the market is by setting Google Alerts. Now, it's a very simple free tool to you, and I can show you how to use that in less than half a minute.
Okay, I'll show you how to create a Google alert. Just type google.com/alerts. The alerts page would open up. I want to create an alert about Park Hyatt Hyderabad. So I type Park Hyatt Hyderabad, right? And then I get to see an alert preview which has different kinds of news that is featuring Park Hyatt Hyderabad. Looks good to me. I'll just go to show options and make sure that everything is correct here. How often, sources, language, region, how many, and delivered to, which is my email ID. So this is good to go. And I press create alert and my alert is created.
You saw it really takes less than half a minute to create an alert. Every time Google finds a match on your search query, it'll send you an email notification with the links of the news items. An alert email will look something like this. But you have to bear a couple of things in mind when creating these alerts. Firstly, if you do not use the right search queries, you will have lots of alerts coming into your mailbox every day. It'll be a daunting task to find the news you need from that pile. Secondly, Google does not send old content that is already published. So if you set an alert for something today, you will only get notifications on the news effective today. There could also be a few misses if the Google pages are not indexed properly. Now let's do something interesting. Let's learn about some smart tactics to get relevant search results.
Now let's say I want to really know about metro project announcements taking place in India. So I create an alert about metro project plus announcement, and I mention in title metro project, which is in inverted comma because it's two words, and to put the words together as a phrase, I need to have an inverted comma so the search looks for metro and project together. Plus, I want to make sure there's an announcement. So let's look at my search. The preview here primarily shows that there is metro project announcement here. Now see, announcement could be in title or in text. That's completely open. But let me see show options. Oh, it shows any region. Now I really want it relevant to India only. So I will select India. And now if you see, then my search is exactly relevant to India. And this is good for me to create an alert. So I go ahead and create an alert. Now I want to create an alert which primarily captures any announcements that is made on factory, metro, or highway, because I want to learn about what are the new projects announced under factory, metro, and highway. So I use a Boolean character called OR, which I basically use to integrate these words. So I say in title factory or in title metro or in title highway plus announcement. Now see, I get to see all the announcements that are taking place here. I have Delhi Metro line, then I have got Ola Scooter Factory, Metro. Yes, so this is good for me because I get all of these things together. Good to create an alert. So I create an alert now. Okay, in this example, I really want to know what are the new projects announced by the government, and then they're sort of announcing them in their websites because it's transparent. I do not know the names or the domain names of all the government websites, but I know that all of those government websites end with .gov.in. So I primarily use a wildcard wherein I say **.gov.in inside inverted commas and new project, which is also another phrase inside inverted commas. Now then, if you look at the preview, I primarily get to see that there is information that I'm getting on ethanol blending, which is a new project, infrastructure pipeline, which is a new project. And this seems pertinent to me, so I create an alert now.
So you can think about anything you wish to know, make a list and start setting alerts.
Things about delegation visits, dignitaries visiting, land acquisitions for infrastructure, new projects sanctioned, new feasibility study conducted. You are aware that there is an emphasis that the government is giving on infrastructure sector, telecom, IT industry, Made in India initiative, incubation of starters, 5G. You can use these phases effectively and with the first amongst to know. You can also create multiple alerts. And remember, you could be the first one to approach the relevant department or company for business due to these factors. You can also use alerts to see what's happening in your competition. If there is a big newsworthy business that you have lost to competition, or if there are any whispers going on with bad reviews in your competition, I'm sure you know how to make use of that information. Now that you've learned how to create Google Alerts and also you learned how to make your alerts specific to your needs, I'm going to give you a final tip. And this is the tip that I was asking you to wait for. Use Boolean symbols and terms in your search to make it more relevant. These are some of the most widely used ones. I'm not going to read this page for you. There are 8 of them. I recommend you pause and make a note of these symbols that will enhance your search power. Not just in setting alerts, but literally anything. Try this on any search engine and you will see amazing results. Thank you for staying through. If you like this content, do comment and subscribe to the channel to watch out for the next tip in this series. Bye bye.